Fireworks and the 4th of July go hand in hand, but firefighters warn fireworks cause thousands of injuries every year.
Fox 5's Denise Dillon talked with Cobb County firefighters about what can happen if something goes wrong.
Fireworks are a huge part of 4th of July celebrations, but firefighters are warning us all about the dangers of the dazzling displays. Soon there will be sparkling and swirling fireworks flying through the air to celebrate Independence Day. And unfortunately, first responders across the country will be responding to injuries.
We see over 9,000 injuries and over 19,000 fires reported during this period of time that we celebrate Independence Day.
Many of those injured are children. The biggest culprit for the little ones? Sparklers.
Sparklers burn up to 1,200 degrees, which is extremely hot.
This demonstration shows how quickly a sparkler can burn someone.
1,200 degrees for just a few seconds on similar to a finger.
And it's not just kids. Nick Dans with Cobb County Fire and Emergency Services says they often see adults with burns or other injuries from fireworks. He says sometimes it's because the instructions on the packaging aren't followed correctly.
There are certain types of projectiles that are supposed to be shot from tubes and are not to be shot from a handheld. That is another leading injury that we see.
Here's what could happen if you try launching a projectile from your hand. Dans adds if you light a firework and it seems to be a dud, move on.
If the firework does not go off, do not attempt to relight it or look into the tube that the firework was lit from.
Looking into the tube could cause eye injuries or worse. Most communities have planned events with professionals setting off the pyrotechnics. Firefighters say it's best to leave it up to the pros. You don't want to be this guy. In Cobb County, Denise Dillon, Fox 5 News.